Now, lastly, we're not going to talk for a tremendous amount of time about future borrowers. We are going to have a friend of mine on the podcast in a few episodes who's going to talk about the impact on future borrowers, especially if you have, children who are at college age or right at that age, because man, I cannot overstate just how devastating this bill is for future borrowers. What I would tell you in terms of how you position your loans, if you are pursuing graduate school or you're a parent who's considering parent plus loans for your child, I would seriously, consider not taking out a parent plus loan after July 1st, 2026, unless you just know for sure that you can pay that loan off in full. Because if you take out a parent plus loan, let's say that even, you took out 3 years worth of loans for your child leading up to 2026, and they've just got 1 year left, and you take out that last year's worth of loans after July 1st, 2026, well, you've now put yourself in a position where you're not eligible for that loan for public service loan forgiveness or income driven repayment. So I would almost rather you just not take out loans for that last year in that scenario to preserve your eligibility for the other loans to be forgiven under that way. If you are in a position where you're pursuing graduate school and you're not looking at a parent plus loan, you're looking at a loan for yourself, again, I would tell you to strongly consider not taking out a federal student loan after July 1st, 2026, unless you are fully comfortable with the potential payment under either the standard plan or the repayment assistance plan, because it doesn't matter what the balance of your student loans prior to July 1st, 2026 look like. Once you have gotten that loan past that date, that loan can only be paid under the standard plan or repayment assistance plan, which is a 30-year repayment plan, unless your bill is paid off before that date and time.